Words are not mere sounds that escape our lips or symbols that dance across a page. They are the invisible architects of reality, the silent builders of dreams, and the mighty forces that can either construct bridges between hearts or tear down the walls of human connection. Every single day, you wield this extraordinary power, often without realizing the profound impact your words create in the world around you. Think about the last time someone spoke words of encouragement to you during a difficult moment. Remember how those words lifted your spirit, straightened your shoulders, and reminded you of your own strength. That is the transformative power of words in action. And today, you must understand that you possess the same incredible ability to change lives through the words you choose to speak. Throughout history, words have toppled empires and built nations. They have sparked revolutions and brought peace to warring factions. Martin Luther King Jr. did not carry weapons when he stood before the Lincoln Memorial. Yet his words, "I have a dream," echoed through time and changed the course of a nation. Gandhi did not need armies to free India from colonial rule. His words of nonviolence and truth became more powerful than any military force. Winston Churchill did not fight the Nazis with his fists, but his words rallied an entire nation during its darkest hour, declaring that they would never surrender. These leaders understood something fundamental about human nature. Words have the power to ignite the flame of possibility in the human spirit, and when that flame burns bright enough, it can illuminate the path to extraordinary achievements. But the power of words extends far beyond the grand stages of history and into the intimate moments of our daily lives. When a teacher tells a struggling student that they believe in their potential, those words can plant a seed that grows into a lifetime of success. When a parent whispers to their child that they are proud of them, those words become a foundation of unshakable self-confidence. When a friend reminds you of your worth during a moment of self-doubt, those words become the anchor that keeps you grounded in your truth. Every conversation is an opportunity to exercise this power responsibly, to choose words that heal rather than hurt, that inspire rather than discourage, that build up rather than tear down. Consider the incredible journey that words take from the moment they form in your mind to the moment they create change in someone else's life. Your thoughts crystallize into words. Your words travel through the air's vibrations. They enter another person's ears, travel to their brain, and suddenly become part of their inner dialogue. Those words you speak today might become the voice in someone's head tomorrow, encouraging them to take risks, pursue dreams, or overcome obstacles. This is why you must choose your words with the same care that an artist chooses colors for a masterpiece, because you are painting on a canvas of human consciousness, and your words will remain long after you have spoken them. The remarkable thing about words is that they cost nothing to give, yet they can be worth everything to receive. A simple thank you can transform someone's entire day. A genuine "I believe in you" can change the trajectory of someone's life. A heartfelt "I'm sorry" can heal wounds that have festered for years. These phrases require no special talent, no expensive resources, no advanced education. Yet they possess the power to perform miracles in human relationships. You carry this treasure trove of potential healing and inspiration with you everywhere you go, and every person you encounter is an opportunity to make a positive difference through the words you choose to share. Words also have the extraordinary ability to transcend time and space. The encouraging words you speak to someone today might be exactly what they remember 20 years from now when they face their greatest challenge. The wisdom you share might be passed down through generations, influencing people you will never meet. The love you express in words might echo through a family line for decades to come. This is the eternal nature of words. They outlive the moment in which they are spoken and continue to shape reality long after the speaker is gone. When you understand this, you begin to see every conversation as a sacred opportunity to plant seeds in the garden of human potential. But with great power comes great responsibility. Just as words can lift someone to incredible heights, they can also cause devastating harm. Harsh words spoken in anger can leave scars that last a lifetime. Criticism delivered without compassion can crush the spirit of someone who is already struggling. Lies and deceit can destroy trust that took years to build. This is why mindfulness in speech is not just a nice idea. It is a moral imperative. Before you speak, ask yourself, will these words help or harm? Will they inspire or discourage? Will they bring people closer together or drive them apart? The world has enough negativity without you adding to it, but it can never have enough encouragement, love, and inspiration. The words you speak to yourself are perhaps the most powerful of all. Your internal dialogue shapes your beliefs about what is possible for your life. When you tell yourself, "I can't do this," you create limitations that may not actually exist. When you say, "I'm not good enough," you program your mind to look for evidence to support that limiting belief. But when you choose to speak words of encouragement to yourself, when you affirm your capabilities and celebrate your progress, you activate the incredible power of self-fulfilling prophecy. Your words to yourself become the commands that your subconscious mind follows. So choose those commands wisely. Speak to yourself with the same kindness and encouragement that you would offer to your dearest friend. Think about the ripple effect that your words create in the world. When you speak words of encouragement to one person, they feel uplifted and are more likely to encourage others. Your positive words create a chain reaction of positivity that spreads far beyond your ability to track or measure. Conversely, negative words create negative ripples that can spread just as far and wide. You have the power to choose which kind of ripples you send out into the world. Every day, you can decide whether your words will be stones that create waves of destruction or pebbles that create waves of inspiration and hope. The beauty of words lies not just in their power to influence others, but in their ability to transform the speaker as well. When you make a habit of speaking words of gratitude, you train your mind to notice the blessings in your life. When you regularly express appreciation for others, you develop a heart that seeks the good in people. When you speak words of encouragement, you strengthen your own optimistic outlook on life. When you choose words of forgiveness, you free yourself from the burden of resentment. Your words shape not only the world around you, but also the person you become. They are both the tool and the transformation, both the cause and the effect of positive change. In a world that often seems divided by differences, your words have the power to build bridges of understanding and connection. You can choose words that acknowledge our shared humanity, that celebrate diversity while highlighting common ground, that heal divisions rather than widening them. Every conversation is an opportunity to practice compassion, to seek understanding, to find solutions rather than assign blame. Your words can be the thread that weaves together the fabric of community, the glue that holds relationships together, the light that illuminates the path forward when others see only darkness. Remember that the most powerful words are often the simplest ones. "I love you" can heal hearts and strengthen bonds. "I forgive you" can end years of conflict. "I believe in you" can awaken dormant potential. "Thank you" can acknowledge worth and inspire continued effort. "I'm here for you" can provide comfort in times of trouble. These simple phrases, when spoken with genuine emotion and at the right moment, have the power to change everything. You do not need to be eloquent or educated to harness the power of words. You simply need to be authentic and intentional. As you go forward from this moment, carry with you the understanding that you are a wielder of immense power. Every word you speak is a choice. Every conversation is an opportunity. Every interaction is a chance to make the world a little bit better than you found it. Choose your words with wisdom. Speak them with love, and watch as they create ripples of positive change that extend far beyond your imagination. The power of words is in your hands. Use it well, use it often, and use it to build the kind of world you want to live in. Your words matter more than you know, and the world is waiting to hear what you have to say.